everyone, welcome back to our channel. So, in this video, we are going to learn the top 3 lessons from Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. So, let's get started. Number 1. The rich don't work for money. This is a major lesson that can be learned from this book. Robert Kiyosaki explains that people's lives are forever controlled by two emotions, fear and greed. Fear of being without money makes people work hard and earn a paycheck. And once they have that money, greed gets them, thinking about all the things that they could buy, which makes them need more money, which makes them spend more. This is called the rat race. He tells us that the rich people had learned to make money work for them. They use their imaginations to identify an opportunity to make money. In this way, they have the control of their finance and generate money without being present there physically. Number 2. Acquiring assets. Robert tells us that poor and middle class people usually cling to their jobs as their only way of generating money, whereas the rich people spend their time in acquiring assets. Hence, when hard times come, the poor or the middle class people usually have no choice than getting into debt, whereas the rich people easily get over it with the help of their assets. Robert defines asset as anything which has a value, produces income, and has a ready market. Robert also tells us as cash flow grows, people can indulge in luxuries, but only if cash flow supports them. He tells us to build the asset column and let the income generated by those assets pay for the luxuries. Number 3. Last but not the least, a little greed. Robert says that too much greed is bad, but a little can help spur on you. Rather than saying I can't afford it, change your mind to how can I afford it? That opens the brain and forces it to think of solutions. I can't afford it is a lie. The human spirit knows that it can do anything but is too lazy to do so. How can I afford it creates a stronger mind, a dynamic spirit. It makes our mind kick for solutions. Without the little greed, the desire to have something better becomes less. Our world progresses because we all desire something better. New inventions are made because we all desire something better. Thank you for watching, and if you want similar content in the future, consider subscribing to our channel.